G'day everyone. Forgot to mention the build report. Actually, I don't know. You can't find the Madbean Drunken Dragon anymore. It might be the Madbean Neutrino. You'd have to ask on the forum. I'm not sure if the Madbean Neutrino was replacing the Drunken Dragon, because the Neutrino is a Lovepedal Eternity as well. I don't know if it's a different version of the Lovepedal Eternity or if it's the same. You'd have to ask, but that's the only option that he has on there at the moment. So I assume it's the same, but I don't know. So I'll do a few sound samples of this, and just take into account that this drive knob, I'm pretty sure, is the wrong taper. Halfway is like, like you've got most of the gain at halfway. So I'll be hanging around sort of the first half most of the time. It's just one of those things, like I was saying in the last in the build report. If you've got a supplier that can't give you the right tapers and the right diameter pot size and the right shaft and all this sort of stuff, find another supplier, because if you don't get the right pots, it makes your life a pain in the bum, and then you have issues like this. Oh, is that how it's supposed to react, or is it the wrong taper? Who knows? But in this case, I'd probably say it is the wrong taper, because it came from JCar and they're pretty much useless for pots. So yeah, I'll do a few sound samples on its own, and then I might use it to boost a couple of things, or maybe even do something a bit different, like get the FSH out and use that in front of it for a bit of distortion. Anyway, let's have a listen to it.
Yeah.